three-finger adaptive robot வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, so particularly it adapts to the object shape for a solid grips over there. Okay, and when we are seeing that, so the increase of the number of fingers and the degrees of freedom will greatly aid the versatility of grippers. So the main reason for using the three-finger gripper mechanisms வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா is its capability of grasping the objects in three parts, which enables both a tighter grip and the holding of spherical objects of different size, keeping the center of the object at a specified position. Okay, so particularly the three-finger adaptive gripper வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, which is for advanced manufacturing and robotic research. So it adapts to the object shapes for a solid grip, which enables the users to focus on the task and not the grasping. The adaptive gripper has three articulated fingers, so which have three joints over on it. So gripper weight வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2.3 இருக்கும். Grip force வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 30 to 70 இருக்கும். Gripper opening வந்து will have a 0 to 155 and whereas the case or diameter for encompassing வந்து 20 to 155 இருக்கும். ஸோ இதோட அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் எங்க நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, ஸோ பர்டிகுலர்லி வைட் ரேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் சிலிண்ட்ரிக்கல் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் விச் இஸ் வெரி ஃப்ரம் 20 mm to 150 mm வந்து மெஷின் டெண்டிங் அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ்ல யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் வி கேன் கோ ஃபார் சிஎன்சி லேத் மெஷின்ஸ், இன்சர்ஷன் அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஈவன் வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா பாலடைசிங் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? So this is the major thing. So we'll have a three primary motions of the gripper jaws இருக்கும்: parallel, angular and toggle. So these operating principles வந்து refer to the motion of the gripper jaws in relation to the gripper body. So this gripper jaws will moves in a parallel motion in relation to the gripper's bodies over on it. Okay. The next classifications வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, we have to see about an internal grippers. So internal grippers வந்து actually in this grippers வந்து the finger pads are mounted on the outside of the finger. So internal gripping அப்படின்னாலே is used when the part geometry will allow and when the process to be performed need access to the outside surface of the part grasp. That is the opening force of the grapper வந்து which is used to hold the part. So this mounting என்ன பண்ணும்னா, it allows the parts to fit into the inside diameter of the part, that is must lift. The parts are pressed against the inside walls of the part over on it. The friction force when developed allows the fingers to hold the part securely when the gripper lifts the parts. Similarly, the contact may be either a two-point contact or captivations or flexible grip with the polyurethane pads over there. And external gripper which is used to design so that the finger pads press against the outside of the component. So it will grip the exterior surface of the object with the closed finger. The pads develop the friction force required to lift the part. The pads are most of polyurethane bounded to steel. So these grippers are generally of a 4-point contact of B block type. External grippers what I shown over here. So the difference between the internal and external வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, so internal வந்து the fingers pads are mounted on the inside of the fingers. External gripper வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, it is designed so that the finger pads press against the outside of the component. So exterior surface of the grippers வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, we'll have a closed parts வந்து will be having over on it. Okay, and so the next one we have to see about an magnetic grippers. So magnetic grippers, already I said you that that is they will be provide a safe gripping of ferromagnetic workpieces by using the magnetic field of an integrated permanent magnets or that. Okay, and they use a magnetized surface to grab metal items. So this type of gripper which does not usually incorporate fingers or jaws, so instead relying on smooth magnetic surfaces for handling. So they are common in industries where sheet metal and automotive parts are being moved along an assembly lines. So we'll have two types of magnetic grippers: electromagnetic and permanent magnet grippers. So permanent magnet வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, the magnetic grippers which employs the effect of magnetic field which comes in contact with the ferrous material. So in a magnetic field will be developed by passing constant current through the electromagnet. So this field will causes the molecules of the ferrous metal in order to align and develop smaller magnetic fields in the part. So these smaller magnetic fields வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா will have a polarity which is opposite to the polarity and the electromagnetic field. So the two poles of opposite polarity will attract each other and it allows the grippers to lift the part. The electric current வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா is turned off after the part has been lifted and placed at the desired place over on it. So when you are saying about the advantage, we'll have a variety of part size. Pickup times are very fast. Variations in part size which can be tolerated. The grippers do not have to be designed for one particular work part, and they have the ability to handle metal parts with the holes over there. And it will require only one surface for gripping. So the magnetic gripper will despite in compact size and can sustain enormous holding thing. The disadvantage பார்த்தோம்னா you'll have a slight slippage, more than one sheets will be requiring over on it. Okay, so that we'll be continuing in the next class. Thank you all.